everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today we have another sponsored video by LUVME HAIR. They sent me over this beautiful Bohemian flowy wig. It is so beautiful, you guys. It was so easy to install, super quick. It's glueless, y'all. A glueless install. Yes, you're taking it off real quick, putting it on real quick. Okay, so yes, and it's a 5x5 closure, so we love that. Super easy. I didn't even put no baby hairs in, so it's giving natural hairline. Yes, we love that. So if you guys want to see me install this and unbox this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave them right here so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this install, y'all. All right, you guys, we have a LUVME wig. Oh, we have a couple of wig grippers in here, wig caps, pamphlets, QR codes, social media, all that good stuff. A wig bag. Then something's in here. I don't know what it is. I ain't never had a box like this, so let's get into it. Oh, cute. It's a brush. Super cute paddle brush. All right, so the wig we're working with today is a 24-inch Bohemian curl. This hair is soft, y'all. This hair is so freaking soft. It is a 5x5 closure. We have 4 combs inside, adjustable elastic band. You also get some adjustable straps here as well. It looks really spacious inside. This hair has a lot of movement, a lot of body. Yes, here, let's get close up on the ends. The ends look pretty good. Looking good. I believe this is 150% or 80% density. Don't get me wrong here. Check the description box. All the information will be in there as usual. These are some beautiful Effortless curls. I love this little bohemian vibe. This is so beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to keep her in a middle part today. I'm going to install her real quick. It is a glueless wig, you guys. Oh, I didn't even show you guys the edges. It does look pre-plucked. Very much pre-plucked there. It is a glueless wig, so we'll try to do her glueless today, as glueless as possible. We're not gonna do any baby hairs either, so it's gonna be nice and natural. All right, let's go ahead and get into this. All right, y'all. So I'm done. I didn't do nothing to this Bohemian curl, okay? I didn't do nothing. The wig is giving glueless, y'all. Gosh, all I really had to do was let my little scarf like lay on here, and I put a little bit of foundation on the lace so it'll blend into. It was really my contour powder, my contour brush. I just like brushed it on here and got like the extras on there. And yes, it is beautiful, you guys. Super, super easy, glueless, and these curls are let me show you guys the back real quick. It is giving quick install. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this hair. It is definitely giving Bohemian vibe, okay? Like, do you see how this hair is just like soft and flowy? I love this, and I did not do nothing to these curls, okay? These are the curls straight out of the pack. I did not wash this or nothing, you guys. No, no, no. And it's glueless. Yes, yes. All right, make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this wig. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Thank you again, Love Me Hair, for sponsoring this video today. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.